Welcome to MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm Ben Beecher, and today we're on the back of a brand new 2023 SeaRay 270 SDX. You can see there's a nice deep 3-rung boarding ladder here to get into the back of the boat. Or if you want to either hang out in the water or need another way to board this boat, you have this manual flip down swim step here. Also, you can see up here I have a nice lounging area. If you want to sit back here, it's nice and comfortable. Also, these seats can pop up, so it just kind of gives your knees just a little pop to sit in a more natural position. Come on inside and let's take a look at the cockpit. So into the cockpit of this boat, you see it's a nice floor plan area in here. It's just nice and wide, plenty of seating for people. If all your entertainment's going on at the back of the boat and you're at anchor, you can easily flip these seats to be rear facing. All right, see this one's got the sport tower with the built-in bimini, and then plenty of storage under the seats and in the floor. All right, up here at the helm, you can see you have bolster seats. So if you need to sit up a little bit higher to see over the passengers in the front, you certainly can. Also, you're going to have your SIMRAD glass dash, so all your GPS as well as your digital gauges will be displayed on here. Back over to the port side, you see we have a nice size head here. It is a port ahead with the pump out. And as we come forward into the bow section, something I really like about the SDX line is how it flares out the bow, gives this plenty of space for a lot of people to ride up here. It's nice and deep and comfortable. And this one does have a windlass anchor. Once again, Ben Beecher, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through the 2023 SeaRay 270 SDX.